Greeting guys, so this is what I'm looking at today. Let's start from weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, you can see that market came to this support level I drew here and started reacting on it. It didn't break it, but if you look for what happened here, this gold is in downtrend because it did change of character here. This is weekly time frame, so I'm using this one single candle, single candle. So it did change of character here for SL, but is kind of as in reacting to this support level here. So I'm thinking that it might buy get to this second support before it might buy to get to this resistance before it will start dropping, or to this before it will start dropping. So that's what I'm still thinking in my head, or the thoughts that I have regarding this. So this is daily time frame. You can see the same. This is previous support. Market didn't break it, kind of reject before this kind of started buying. So I'm expecting this to get to this particular support resistance before dropping, or to get to this one before start dropping. So this is scenario I'm looking at on this bigger time frame. So on a smaller time frame, which is 4 hours, already you see what it did. This is the lower low and this is the higher low, and as in this was the higher high before you take it out, and this is the higher low. Now this is the new higher high. So it broke this high, which is the resistance. Then I'm thinking that we come back to close this gap here and continue buying. But mind you that now gold is respecting this resistance. So this resistance might also pull it down to here because gold is in downtrend. So actually now gold is somehow would I say having two face of what to do. I don't know whether it's going to still move up before continue selling because it's in downtrend, or if trend is about to change. That's where the confusion is on, let me say, on bias. Someone should really focus on. Now what I will say is that if you are not sure whether gold will respect here, because nobody knows, but gold is in that trend, it might break it and retest, then keep going down because it's in that trend. And now it's hitting this resistance. You don't know whether this resistance is what will pull it back. So if you take a buy from here, just make sure that if it's giving you 50 pips, you just close some of your positions and move the rest to your entry point. Then if you decided to keep going down, it will take you out on 0-0 and they have booked some profit already. Don't hold much here. Whatever any trade you are taking at this zone, do it as a scalping trade. If you close some, move your stop to the entry point. Then if you keep buying, glory be to God, you are still holding some position. That's what I'm thinking that will happen. That's what I will do here if I'm buying gold from here, because I'm not sure whether this uptrend is real or it's just a fake out or it's just a retracement for the downtrend to continue. So whatever I'm doing here at this zone, because definitely I would like gold to close this gap before I will take any buy. Then mate is giving me any profit like 50 pips, I'll close 50% of my position, then move the rest my entry point and see what will happen. So on this 1 hour time frame, the same thing. If gold get to this zone, I will buy and my stop loss will be here. And this setup will make more sense maybe if gold can even take out this side, then we look for a buy. So I believe that whatever makes good to take out this side, it will get to this zone maybe before we can see the drop. If gold still want to sell. So this is the best, will I say, the best setup I would like to take. If you go take out here, then come back, then I target this zone. I believe that we get to this zone. But if gold continue selling, come back to this area, as I said, I will buy. Then if it fell, then I will just wait for gold to take out this zone. Then I will buy here, I will sell here to target this low or to target this zone here. To target this particular zone. So this is what I'm looking at. I will think of taking a buy here. Immediately it gave me 50 pips. I close 50% of my position and move the rest to my entry point. Then let's see what will happen. If you continue moving, glory be to God, I am some position still on. But if it break, then I'll wait for retracement to this zone for me to sell. So let's just watch out and see how this analysis is going to play out today. But I know definitely what I just said now, one of them will definitely play out. Yeah. Okay, let's recap what I did on Friday. Here is on Friday. I told you guys that I mark out this level. Okay, I told you that my first entry will be somewhere here, and your stop can be here, yeah, or here. So the first entry I took here, but thank God I didn't even put much because I was really bothered that gold might take out this and respect this, which that's what it did that Friday. So I lost some money here. It's not much because I didn't risk much. I lost the first entry I entered here, I lost it. But after gold took out this side, then I entered more position here. Then the one I entered here, the stop loss was somewhere here. So I made money out of this. From this particular one, I made money out of this on Friday. So that's the only trade I took on Friday. So let's see how this is going to play out. Just open your eye and keep watching. Let's just follow the market structure. Market structure is the king. Thanks guys and God bless.